have to re-practice, right? Practice makes perfect. Next one, which option correctly indicates, hope that is clear for you, right? Which option correctly indicates the main function of xylem and phloem tissue in the plant? Tell me what consists of xylem, what consists of phloem. Xylem is like what? Phloem is like what? What they are doing actually, right? What they are doing? Tell me. If this is a tree,
Xylem.
right? If that is a tree, okay. If I cut from here, right, and if I see that part like this, right, I can see a lot of PVC tubes. I can see a lot of PVC tubes. In other form, if I tell you, right? So if I took something like this, okay, a part of a tree, right, a part of a tree. Here I can see nicely a ring-like structure if it is a mango tree or jack tree or something like that. That means a dicot tree, right? Okay. So if I draw that one here, at something, huh? It is little bit like a circle now, however, right? So it has a ring like this. The ring-like structure that we call a cambium. What bium? What bium?
Cambium.
Cambium, right? So here we see. Right? These kind of structures are there. What are these? Can you tell?
Lateral meristems, like the cambium rings contain the tissue.
Okay. Now tell me what is this I'm drawing?
The xylem and phloem.
The blue colors are xylem. The green colors are what? Phloem. Okay. Nicely. That is why we can see virums that in this trees. Okay. So these are phloems. Now you see what is that? Phloem and xylem. Okay. Now come here. Right. So this one of the phloem is like a PVC tube. Right. That goes everywhere as tubes for roots also. So that we call root phloem. Right. So like that, it is there everywhere. Like these tubes are going. Right. So like that is going. So this is from outside. Okay. From outside that is going. Same time, from inside, here, inside. Right. Xylems are going. Inside. Now this is inside. Right. It's like here. From these areas, it's like a butter. Right. From this area, it's going like this. Right. So there is a phloem. So these are like tubes. Right. These are like this going up to top and bottom to the roots also. So when it is coming to the shoot system, we call shoot phloem or shoot xylem. When it's going through the roots, we call root xylem or root phloem. Is it clear? That part is clear? Right. Okay. Now xylem, what it is doing? Xylem is transporting water. Transporting water and minerals. Phloem, what it is doing? Food. Transporting food as what? Liquid sucrose. Liquid sucrose. Why liquid sucrose? Because if it like tries to transport starch, what starch is solid, right? It will go and block somewhere, right? So it can't go. Okay. Now you see this one. Actually, the xylem and phloem, you must need to know properly, right? Okay. Xylem and here phloem, right? These are actually like tube-like structures, right? Tube-like structures. These parts also there. This is actually a tube. We call sieve tube. The entire tube we call sieve tube. This is what I draw here. The green color thing, zoomed, right? Sieve tube. If I draw the xylem, that also like that. That also like that. Right? These are vessels. Vessel tube. Right? Vessel tube. This is CO tube. This is vessel tube. Right? So here we can see some openings like this. Right? So in between this, right? Some openings like this are there. Right? So at once if we use a tube, like water can't go up now. So like that is that. Here also there are holes. These are plate-like structures. Plates-like structures. What like structures? Plates-like structures. Okay, now carefully try to understand. I told you something this called, what I told you, this tube, sieve tube. Each and every element makes the sieve tube, entire sieve tube. So one part I call as what? Sieve tube element. Sieve tube element. I told this is a vessel tube. So here I call, right, vessel elements. Each and everything I call vessel element. Right? The phloem is not a single tissue. Phloem is not a single tissue, right? Okay, these are complex tissues, therefore they have different types of tissues added together that create the phloem complex tissue, right? So here I can see some of CO tube elements always have a companion cell, right? Always they will have a companion, which with one element with a nucleus, a companion cell is always there with them. Right, with a cell. This companion cell is what controls the sieve tube element that you must need to know. Right, so this is companion cell. Companion cell. Right, okay. Here also, vessel elements, they have a thing called like this. Right, they have tracheids. Tracheids cells, right? Not tracheids, trachid cells. They are tracheids. Xylem tracheids. These are very short. Tracheids are there. They also have supporting. Right? The other thing what you must need to know is with this companion cell and this sieve tube element, each and every sieve tube element, right? This I told, these are sieve plates. Sieve plates, which separates elements. Sieve plates are there. They are having holes. Through that holes, only the liquid sucrose is going here and there, up and down. Here they are having the tracheid. These also having like cross-built structures like this, and from that only the water is going up and down. Okay, tracheids also there. Commonly they both having these cells. Right? Commonly they both having these cells. Right? Right? Commonly they both having. What are these? Can you tell me?
Parenchyma cells?
Is this parenchyma?
No, fibers.
Fibers. Right? Yeah, fibers. Right? These are fibers. Here also fibers are there. Right? So I will draw like this because right? This is a cross section I'm drawing, huh? Right? They have, what is this structure? What is the structure? Soon tell me. What is the structure? Soon tell me. Called co. What is the structure? Kian. If this is in xylem, we call xylem fibers. Soon tell me the structure. This is in phloem, we call phloem fibers. What is the structure? Huh? Tell. What is the structure? Tell me. You did know? Okay, fine, and tell me that. Right? Then we have this one. Commonly, what is this? Surrounding this. Right? What is this?
Xylem parenchyma.
Xylem parenchyma. Fine, and tell me in fibers, what is there?
They are narrow and shorter.
Yeah, they are narrow and shorter fibers. That is fine. I'm asking what is this? In fibers, we can see structures like this, which we have to communicate with another cell. They have a structure like this. I'm asking what is this structure? Xylem parenchyma. Here, these are we can find in surrounding this also, right? Surrounding that also, we call this phloem parenchyma. Right, that is what we call phloem parenchyma. Okay, now read the answers.
Pitch and lumen.
No. Lumen means this inside here. This is lumen. Okay, this one is pit. Pit. Ku. Singular we call ku. Right? I just forget the English term. That's why I was asking.
Yeah, I did say pitch, right? I said pitch and lumen. There's.
This is lumen. Lumen means the inside, that middle layer, right? This communicating part that we call pit. Right? That is pit. Fine. Okay. Now, right? So pit and lumen. So this is you must need to know. And so transport of water, xylem, that is correct. Mechanical support, phloem, no. That is not the main thing. Mechanical support, transport water, no. Transport of water, translocation of food, yeah, that is correct. So answer is number